Pharma founders, are you aware that you can use AI to find investors, strategic partners, as well as potential customers and clients? That's right. That's what we shall cover in today's episode in the Pharma Founders Edge. This is James Pereira, the founder of the Pharma Founders Edge, as well as the seven-figure Pharma Accelerator program that helps pharma founders 2x their revenues in 2 years. Today's video is a workshop that I hosted together with Joe Apfelbaum, the CEO of EvyAI, very recently. And Joe has revealed this AI tool that he has that helps you uncover all the investors that you need to grow your business, to start your business, the strategic partners that you would require for drug discovery, clinical trials, marketing, or anything else, and even potential clients and customers long before your product has been registered with the FDA. If this is the first time you're on this channel, please subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications so that all future videos that I produce that will show you tips and tricks on how to grow a sustainable pharma business, you will receive them. So let's dive in.
You can see everything about people there. So for example, Mark, I'm going to leave a comment on his post right now using EvyAI. And if you guys don't use EvyAI, I highly recommend you get an assistant like it that can support you. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to select my goal, my tone, and my persona. My persona trains the AI on who I am and how I'd like to speak. And it'll go ahead and read this post. And then if I like the comment that came on the side, I could just hit this insert button and it kind of inserts the comment just like this. I can tag Mark just like that. And then I press comment and I just left him a thoughtful comment about his 4th of July post. And most people don't realize the power of leaving comments for other people and actually posting and doing all those types of activities. So I'm consistently leaving comments, but I'm also sending messages to people. So for example, if I want to wish him a happy 4th of July, I can say, Mark, I just want to take a moment to wish you a happy 4th of July, and I hope that you and your family enjoy. Now what I do is I go here, and I press send, and do you see the way I spoke into LinkedIn basically, and I typed everything up? But LinkedIn doesn't have that feature, so you need to get yourself an assistant that will help you with that feature that allows you to push from the side into LinkedIn. And with EvyAI, you get unlimited access to artificial intelligence technology that allows you to do things like that. Now that I have this over here, Mark, I just want to wish you time to wish you a happy July. I can actually copy this. I can go into the side over here. I can click on templates and I can make this into a template. So you see, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click on templates. I'm going to click add new template. And now I have a template that says, Mark, I just want to take a moment to wish you a happy. And I can turn this into a holiday greeting. I'm going to say July 4th. And you see I have July 4th holiday greeting. Hit save. Now, if I want to be able to send this greeting to people, it's really easy for me to send this greeting to people. I just have to click on my network over here. And then I click on connections. And then I type in Mark. See, I'm going to type in Mark. And now I have all the different marks I'm connected to. Can you guys see that? All these marks? Now, if I want to message all these marks, what I can do is I can easily click on the message button next to their profile, and then I can send them this message just like this. You see? So I just send this Mark a message, and it's customized to Mark because I'm only sending it to Marks. You see that? I'm going to go ahead and send this to all these different Marks here, making my life very easy because I don't have to sit there and open their profiles and deal with wondering if it's customized or not. So I have a question for you. How often are you posting, engaging, and messaging on LinkedIn? Are you doing LinkedIn on a daily basis? Are you doing it on a weekly basis? How often are you taking action on a regular basis on the platform? I'm curious to know if you're active daily, weekly, monthly, not sure, not enough. Let me know in the chat. I'd love to hear from you. Or if you're watching this live in the comments, let me know how often you use LinkedIn. We have a really great program that teaches you how to leverage LinkedIn every day. And I recommend using LinkedIn for 15 minutes a day every day. And if you could use LinkedIn every day for 15 minutes a day and do things like what I'm doing over here, this could really improve the amount of people that are actually looking at your stuff on LinkedIn. And it can also help you be able to grow your network and to be able to stay top of mind with the right people, building those relationships, and then ultimately leading to get you to more business. And if you're looking for more clients, then there's no better platform to get clients than from LinkedIn, because LinkedIn has 1.2 billion people, and those people are logging in pretty often. So you take a look at the statistics for LinkedIn, you'll notice that lots and lots of people are logging in on a regular basis, and they're spending a lot of time on LinkedIn. Now, only 24 million people are posting at all on LinkedIn. You know, there's only 24 million people posting, but there's 1.2 billion people on LinkedIn. So the question is, if you're not actually leveraging LinkedIn properly, what's stopping you from actually leveraging LinkedIn? What's stopping you from taking these daily actions in just 15 minutes a day? Is it that you need a checklist and you need to learn what to do? Is it that you need the help of an assistant that can help you take these types of actions, or a technology like the one I'm using right here that will help you be able to do things 10 times faster, and be able to stay top of mind with the people? What is it that's actually stopping you right now? I'm curious to know. In the comments, go ahead and tell me what's stopping you from being successful. Maybe you're missing a marketing strategy. Maybe you're missing your business plan. Maybe you're missing your messaging. Maybe you're not sure who to target even. There's a lot of people that have no idea who to even target on LinkedIn, and as a result, they don't end up doing anything because, oh, there's so many people. If you're just targeting people, you're not going to be successful. But I know that I'm going after these marks over here. You see, these are people that are already connected to me on LinkedIn, and I'm building relationships with them, getting to know them, and greeting them on a holiday, which often will lead to a conversation when they actually see this. Now, keep in mind that when I send a message to people, they're also getting an email notification letting them know that I sent them a message. So you see the way that I'm doing this, and this is like, once you have a strategy and you know exactly what you're going to do, suddenly it becomes effortless to take these types of activities and to be able to send messages to people. And as you can see, I'm not using any type of automation. I'm simply going through a simple process that allows me to be able to read the messages that I have sent people. You see, go back in the messages and go back and forth and keep the conversation alive, but doing it in a way that makes you really stand out. And as you can see, I have many, 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 many marks that I could message. And do you get the idea of exactly how I do this in a meaningful way? Now, I can take all these people and put them into a spreadsheet in a matter of seconds, just so you know. And it's pretty simple for us to do that. I'm not going to get into that because that's one of our 99 hacks. And if you're interested in learning more about our 99 hacks, just put 99 in the chat. I'd be curious to know who likes hacks, who wants to learn about the 99 hacks. But check this out. Mark already messaged me back. You could see I didn't put a lot of effort into this. And I see Mark already messaged me back. He said, thank you. And then I had an auto reply go out. You see an auto reply went out. And it says, thank you for the message. This is an auto response message. I'd love for you to check out EvyAI.com. You see that? And he sent me this message, and then he got an auto reply right back. Now, so I'm going to take a look at this person and see who he is. Now, one of the things that I can do when somebody replies to me is I can save them to EvyAI on the side over here, and then I can open up their profile, and then I can do AI research on them. I could deploy an agent to learn more about this person. Now, this person just messaged me. That means he's busy. He's active on LinkedIn. I could see what he does for a living. I could see his target market. I could see the services and solutions that he provides to his clients, his outcomes. And often I'll be able to also see his company, his email, the conversation starters, business opportunities, notable achievements, and rapport builders. So if I was to get on the phone with him, let's say, for example, I would pull up his phone number and email address, I can take his information, save it into EvyAI so that I have it later. You see that? And then I can say, I can just hop on the phone with this guy and have a meaningful conversation with him. I can also go ahead and comment on his post in just a matter of seconds. So I can go in here, I can press a keyboard shortcut. In this case, it's Alt G. And you see, I just commented on his post. I'm going to tag him. And now I just left him a solid comment just like that on his post. And he will notice that. And I'm not going to say, hey, let's get on the phone right now. Maybe I'll ask him another question about his business or what he's trying to do. But as you can see, this he posted yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and leave him a thoughtful comment just like that so that he sees what I'm doing. Can you see yourself doing things like this in your business? Can you see this helping you be able to be more effective with LinkedIn? Can you see this helping you be able to post, engage, and message more in a more effective way? Now, I have lots of different things that I like to do. Like, for example, I want to post a video on LinkedIn. So if I want to post a video on LinkedIn right now, what's the best way for me to post a video? Well, let me first share my sound and find a video. So I'm going to click on Photos. And then I'm going to go find a video. So here's a video called The 3 Types of Friends. So I'm going to double click on that video. And now I uploaded the video to LinkedIn. Let's watch this video real quick.
Most of your friends aren't really your friends. You have 3 types of friends you have: leaves, branches, and roots. And the leaves are those seasonal friends. They're just along for the ride when it's fun, convenient, or valuable. But as soon as the storms come, they fall. The branches are somewhere in between. They're sort of there, but you can't lean on them too heavily, put too much weight on them because they might break off. But the roots are those darkest hour friends. The roots are the people that are there for you across all of these different seasons of your life. They are grounded, they are deep, they are entrenched. Your real friends are the ones who are there for you when you have nothing to offer in return. When you're down and out, when you're in the mud, when the world has collapsed down on you, when you're bankrupt, when you get arrested, when your partner breaks up with you. Those are your darkest hour friends. Find one, cherish them, and be one to someone else.
Is that a good video or is that a crappy video? In the chat, tell me, good video, bad video. Let me know what you think about it. Would you post such a video on your profile if you had one? And how was my presentation style on that video? Did you like the way that I presented? Did you like the way that I spoke? Did you like the information that I shared? Was it valuable? So now I'm going to go ahead and click next, and I'm going to have EvyAI write me a post. So the way that I'm going to do is I'm going to choose my persona. In this case, instead of the Ajax Union persona, I'm just going to use the posting template persona. And I'm going to talk to it, and I'm going to say, do you really have darkest hour friends, the ones that are there for you when the going gets tough? Or are the people that are in your life just people that are transactional? Personally, I have a lot of transactional people in my life, but I strive to build relationships with people and go deep. Like, for example, if somebody is going through something, I want to make sure that I can be there for them in a very deep way. I think about it like a tree. You have the leaves, the branches, and the bark. No, not the trunk. You have the trunk, the leaves, and the branches, and those are 3 different types of friends. The people that are leaves, they're just there sometimes, but then they easily go away. And then the people that are branches, they're there, but it's more transactional. And the people that are the trunk, those people are the roots. They just stay with you, and those are your darkest hour friends. So strive to have darkest hour friends and build relationships and cherish them and make sure they align with your values. Okay, now I'm going to hit generate because what? I'm going to post that? That sounds like crap. You know what I mean? There's no hook. There's no main points. There's no call to action. There's no hashtags. There's nothing. But EvyAI knows how to take that and turn it into a solid post. Have you ever noticed how some relationships in business and in life feel like leaves on a tree? For some reason, they're gone the next strong wind. It's easy to fill our calendars with meetings and our networks and connections, but how many of those people will stand by you in your darkest hour? Are we building relationships that go beyond transactional, or are we collecting business cards and digital handshakes? What if the real value networking isn't about how many people you know, but about the depth of the relationship you nurture? That's what I've learned from the years of marketing and entrepreneurship. The leaf connections are plentiful. They come and go based on convenience or opportunity. The branch relationships are stronger, but often transactional, and they support you, but only up to a point. The truck, the root friends, they're rare. They're the ones that show up when things get tough, offering support with unexpected in return. We often invest more of our energy in expanding our network, not deepening it. It's tempting to focus on short-term wins. Sometimes we forget to check if the value really aligns. In my experience, the most rewarding connections are the ones you can be there for somebody else, especially when there's no immediate benefit to you. That's where the real trust is built. So I'm curious, How do you identify and nurture your darkest hour relationships? What steps do you take in your network is rooted in genuine support, not just transactions? If this made you pause and reflect, I'd appreciate your thoughts or like. Okay? So I'm going to press post. I'm going to press post. By the way, if you're getting value in the chat, write value. In the comments, write value. Let me know that you're getting value from this. Now, this is actually getting uploaded to LinkedIn right now. And once it gets uploaded to LinkedIn, LinkedIn will notify me when the post is ready and goes live. Okay, the LinkedIn will let me know when it goes live. Now, we actually have a deal called the bundle. And if you're interested in me telling you about the deal called the bundle, just write bundle in the chat. And I'll be more than happy to tell you where we bundle $10,000 worth of training together with unlimited access to our 6 AI agents, unlimited posts, unlimited messages, unlimited comments, unlimited anything for a few $100 per year. So if that's something that you're interested in getting, usually just the software alone is $2,400 a year. But if you're interested in the bundle, just say bundle in the chat, and I'll kind of explain how the bundle works so that you can learn how it works, and I can make you a special deal for those that want to sign up for the bundle during this presentation live right now. I'll make you a special deal. Okay? All right. So how does this work? How do you build relationships? And by the way, write bundle in the chat if you can hear me. Look at Mark Green. Mark Green is a real relationship. I'm going to say same to you and yours. Let's catch up soon. I am working on bigger things. Okay, let me go to Mark. Let's just see what he is, what's going on with him. You see, he reposted something 3 hours ago. He posted something a day ago. I'm going to go ahead and support him now because he replied to me. So he's obviously active. I'm going to use my, you see this purpose is like rollerblades. This is a long comment. I'm going to tag Mark. And I went ahead and left this really solid comment. Wow, right? Write wow in the chat if you're just like wowed by this. Now, I want to show you something else. Check this out. I'm going to do a search. I'm going to search for Jeff. I'm going to search for you here and see if you come up. And as I can see, you came up right over here. This is you. And the photo kind of looks like you. There's no wine in the background in the photo, though. And it looks like you're hiring people. It also looks like you're paying for LinkedIn. You see that? Now, if I wanted to connect with you and build a relationship with you, what I would do is I would select a persona that's me. I would select a goal for connecting with you, like building rapport. I would click the connect button, the add a note button, and then I would select my tone. In this case, I'm going to be more sincere. And then I'm going to ask it to go ahead and write me an invitation and throw it in here. Jeff, your biotech innovation inspires me. As a fellow CEO passionate about growth and impact, I value connecting with you. Are you willing to connect on LinkedIn? So I'm going to hit send. And boom, now I want to connect with Jeff. I want to build a relationship with him and get to know him. Do you see the way I just asked him to connect with me? That was really easy to do. I recommend connecting with the max connections. The max connections is 30,000 on LinkedIn. So could you imagine if you had built over the next 5 to 10 years, 30,000 relationships on LinkedIn? Now you might say, Joe, I don't have 30 years. Well, you can actually do it in 5 years. So if you don't have a really long time, you can actually do it fast. Now, specifically for Jeff, I noticed doesn't have his contact information right here on LinkedIn. You see? It's hard to connect with him and build a relationship with him. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do some AI research on Jeff to see if I can pull up his information right here in real time. And this will help me understand, what he's up to. So I'm going to launch Copilot. I'm going to launch Perplexity. I'm going to deploy ChatGPT. I'm going to deploy Findy, U.com. And I'm also going to deploy Claude to give me research. So these are 6 separate agents doing research on Jeff at the same time and scouring the web. So I can find everything about him. So I see I have a phone number here. Jeff, is this a good phone number for you? Is this incorrect? Incorrect? Not a correct phone number. Okay. Well, let's see if Perplexity picks up another number. Okay. Perplexity did not give me a number. It gave me an email address, a LinkedIn URL. Let's see what OpenAI gave me. OpenAI gave me this 833 DNA Nano. Is that better? He's like, that's okay. And info at dnananobots.com. Is that a better email address for you? He's like, somewhat a better email address. Not terrible. Not a terrible email. All right, let's see what u.com found. Isn't that crazy that these things can go ahead and find different agents, find different things? Look at this. What about this number here? Is this a terrible number from enterprisevx.com? I found it on enterprisevx.com. Wrong number, right? Still wrong number? All right, let's see what Claude found. Claude went up on the internet and it found this. Oh, look at this. 614-325-21. He's like, oh my God, that's good. So Claude was the best at this particular search. Claude found the right phone number and he found the right email address, right? Okay, so now Claude went ahead and found me what I needed. I'm going to go ahead and save this to save me time. And I'm actually going to save all the information from Claude. And I can do this by clicking the copy button, clicking on networking, and then adding it as a note. So congratulations, you just saw me do deep AI research using 6 different agents, and you get unlimited access to all these agents at no additional fee. So what is EvyAI? It's a sales assistant. It can do some of the things that I showed you today. For example, it can help you be able to comment, write posts, send messages, optimize your profile, create invitation notes, write recommendations for you, but it can do it on every platform. We're looking at LinkedIn right now, but if I wanted to do it, say, on Facebook, let me do this on Facebook. First, I'm going to find Jeff on Facebook. You're going to be like, what do you mean you're going to find him on Facebook? I don't know. I'm going to ask the AI to try to find his Facebook profile. Now, he might say, well, I don't have Facebook. I'm not on Facebook. Like, okay, well, I don't see his photo anywhere here. I don't know if any of these are you here. Let me see if I could find you on Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or X. So now I'm like searching for him on these different platforms here. And this kind of looks like him here. And this kind of looks like him here. So I'm going to go ahead and check him out. And it looks like the last time he posted was 2013. So I'm probably not going to connect with him on this platform here because 2013 is a long time ago and it's not active. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. Let's see. Okay, so he's not on TikTok either. Let's see if he's on here. It looks like we have a couple of you on here, but you're not really on YouTube. Doesn't look like you have a lot of activity on YouTube, so you're obviously not very active here. If I do Google you on Instagram, I also see you're not really active on Instagram. I'm just going to search Nano. Okay, so you're not really on Instagram. And on LinkedIn, this might be you over here, but what I could also do is I can filter by city, so I can see what city you're in here. So this is how I would do it, Ohio. And then I would click on city, and I would just search Ohio. Is there a specific city here? Columbus, Ohio. So I'm going to do Columbus, Ohio, and just see if it picks it up. And it looks like it picked it up. And this kind of looks like you with the glasses here. So I'm going to go ahead and add you as a friend in Columbus, Ohio. I'm going to look up your profile. And it looks like you were just active on June 15th. So you're pretty active on here. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you a comment using EvyAI. And I know this is really strange, but it just is what it is. You know, I'm a strange guy. So I'm going to go to Facebook. I'm going to hit post response. I'm going to right click on here, send it to the side panel, hit generate. It's going to read this post based on what I sent it. I cannot to send all the content. And if I like the comment that it left, I'm going to insert it. And it just inserted it. It says, Jeff, this is so cool. Leading a panel in the ODU and bootstrapping and life sciences and health tech. Dude, that's huge. You're basically the startup whisperer now. Seriously, though. Getting a business off the ground in that space is no joke. And I love how you're sharing your wisdom with folks and just getting started. So I went ahead and sent that. And now, as you can see, by the way, if you guys are enjoying this, say I'm enjoying this. I don't know if you guys are enjoying this, but sometimes I go through a rabbit hole to build relationships with people in different places. But yeah, this is what we're doing. And, you know, and a lot of it's about the training. So if I don't have any ideas for what to do, I could just click on idea generator and I can say nanobots. And I could just select my persona related to whatever. You know, I'm going to do it related to Ajax Union. So it'll create nanobots related to marketing. You know, how can nanobots do this? Ethical nanobots, whatever. And if I want to write a post, how do you envision the role of nanobots in sustainability? I hit generate. and it'll write a hook, main points, call to action, and hashtags in about 10 seconds. So if it takes you a long time to come up with ideas, it takes 3 seconds to come up with 4 ideas, and then about 10 seconds for you to write the full post. And you can turn it into a video. You can put it on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever. You could also have all your templates available here. We have a whole learning hub with tons of links. So if you want to see everybody's birthdays on LinkedIn, you just click a button and it loads everybody's birthdays on LinkedIn. Insane, right? Also, if you want to see everybody's birthdays on Facebook, same thing. Loads everybody's birthdays on Facebook. So as you can see, you're not really using the other platforms, but these are the 2 platforms that Jeff's using. So could you imagine if you had an enterprise sales team and they were doing this, or if you were just a coach or a consultant and you had the power of doing this? Like, oh my God, you would be such a powerful person. So this is kind of like what we teach people how to do to stay top of mind and build relationships. And, you know, if you have templates, like for example, I have a greeting. This is a DM greeting. This is the happy birthday greeting. Today is what? The 3rd? So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Now I have a template. So I could do the same thing here. I could hover over this, send a message, and then inject the message here and hit send. And now I just sent Larry a message just like that. I could do the same thing with Eric. You guys see? And I'm doing this on Facebook now. So this makes my life so much easier, and it allows me to be able to build deep, meaningful relationships with people, not just BS, you know, garbage, but like, you know, wishing them a happy birthday and blessing them and connecting with them and learning about them and seeing what they're up to and seeing them on their special day, you know? That's an extremely meaningful thing that people often don't realize that you can do for people and build those relationships and get to know them. And sometimes I don't remember that it's somebody's birthday and they're a really close friend of mine. And, you know, I got busy, you know, and over here it tells you how old some of these people are, which is really nice as well. Same thing with LinkedIn. If I want to send a message to these people, I just go ahead, click the up arrow. I don't have to copy and paste anything and like clutter up my, my clipboard or anything. If I do want to use it through mobile, I do have to, you know, put it in my clipboard and copy and paste. But with the Chrome extension, you can just inject. And that's kind of like what I'm doing. I'm using this inject functionality. So any questions so far? Are you guys interested in the bundle? Do you want the deal? Would you guys be interested in signing up to the bundle? Say interested in the bundle or bundle in the chat. And I'll be more than happy to send you details about the bundle. And, or you can speak to James who brought you here, and James can send you more information about the bundle as well. But this is that's what this is about. If there's no further questions, James, what did you get that I did so far?
Yeah, Joe, if I were to summarize this, what I think is most important is that you are using AI to build relationships with people. So it is not using AI without a soul. And that's the way that you use AI to find investors, to find strategic partners, as well as potential clients.
That's right. So if you're looking for an investor, a strategic partner, do you think they're going to send it to you if you don't wish them a happy birthday? Let's be honest.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Really getting to know people.
And I think, Joe, you have shown how to build that relationship and how to do deep research with the various AI tools, Claude, ChatGPT, and Perplexity, and the others. And it's so powerful.
Correct. And if I want to save things, I can easily save things. You know, I can just save things into my templates. You saw the way I created a template really quick. And we also have a community. So if you click on the home of our extension and you click on join community, you see we have a community with over 1,000 people in it. And these are real people. And so if I want to build relationships with them, I just click on, you know, I click over here, take a look at who's trying to go in here. You see she's an investor. So if I want to check out information about her, I can easily grab her LinkedIn, look into her, see what type of person this is. And I see she's in Texas. She's an investor. I want to build a relationship with her. Boom. I hit approve. Now she's inside the community. So this is extremely, extremely powerful. And if you want to learn more, we have a calendar of events that happen every single day. Today we had a template party. Yesterday we had the 99 hacks pre-launch. We have office hours with Carlos. We have monthly strategy sessions. We did a 2-hour strategy session. And anyone that signs up for the bundle right now, they're going to get that 2-hour strategy session. So if you got value today, you should see what we taught yesterday. James, you were in the strategy session yesterday, yeah? Was it valuable for you?
I wasn't in yesterday, Joe, but I was in last week, and it was mind-blowing.
Yeah. And we have them all the time, and you can catch the replays as well. So if you're interested in being part of this, having posting parties, building those relationships, go ahead and sign up to the bundle today. And thank you very much for being part of this. I really appreciate you guys, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Joe, and happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of
Cool.
July, everyone. Thank you for showing up. Bye, everyone.
All right. So there you go, guys. If you want to gain access to the bundle of the EvyAI tool, click the link below and register.